So you are a YouTuber and you want to know how we can make money with affiliate programs on YouTube, like how we can actually increase a revenue from YouTube. My name is Marcus and I own 5 monetized channels on YouTube, and in this video I'm going to share with you the best programs that I recommend to actually promote, and also I'm going to share with you the strategies on how we can promote them, like what are the best ways how we can earn money from affiliate marketing on YouTube. But right before we're gonna start that, I create a free strategies masterclass completely for free down below in the description, and I show there and explain my processes, how I make thousands and thousands of dollars monthly from YouTube and also affiliate marketing. So let's start here. Let me talk to you about the first way how we can make money. The first way is not Amazon, it's the second way. The first way how we can actually make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube is to actually find similar tools, similar software that your competition is using. What do I mean by that? So list your competition. Okay, in what like affiliate programs they are in? You can get there too, because they got the same audience they are creating videos for. Therefore, they already did the work for you. And what you can do is not only that you're gonna analyze your competition, what they are using. You can even promote like the competitors of those affiliate programs. So let me just explain just idea. So let's say that I would create a clips from CSGO, or I would CSGO is a game on Steam, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and let's say that I'm going to create videos about that. And what I will do, I will go to VWatch. Okay, I can go to Vladopart free, and I can actually check what kind of they have. Hot Pizza GG, okay. And then this guy got take your free case CSGO skins. So I can actually see here get bonus, right? And you see that like these two sites, I can actually promote it too. So I can come here and I can go CSGO skins affiliate and just search for the affiliates. And you need to be logged in here, and you see paid out 3 million. Here on a Hot Pizza GG, I can go again right here, Hot Pizza GG affiliate, and possibly you're gonna earn, and you need to have it when you're gonna log in to your Hot Pizza GG program, like the site here. But voila, partner program here, right? Earn with us your percentage, how much I can earn, when do I get the money, and it can be withdrawn in cryptocurrency, right? So as you can see, and this is how you do it, right? So you're gonna find your competitors, what affiliate programs they're using, or what would your audience like, and you promote that. You don't want to actually promote like, how would I call it? You don't want to promote hosting if you have gaming channel, or you don't want to promote whatever, the bottle of water if you're making videos about ice, you know, like, you get me. So that's something that you want to focus on. Now, the few programs that you can actually promote is Amazon. So let's say that you have tools that you're using. So let's say you are a gaming channel and you want to share with people like, okay, this is my setup. And you can create a page on Amazon that is like, okay, this is the things that I'm using. There is also a site that you can share your tools that you use. I don't know how it's called, but you can find it on the internet. Then that's like Amazon is a good way how we can promote that. Or if you're gonna make reviews, you can have an Amazon link there. So that's something you can actually do. Or if you are doing the hauls, the Shein, etc., you can have links in Shein. Then another one is Etsy. Etsy affiliate program is another one, really good one, only because you can actually promote, let's say that I would be creating videos about Overwatch game, and I can just start sharing Etsy stores, right? That I know that it would help to make money. Now, let's say that you are in a business side, you can easily have Shopify. Shopify affiliate is like a high paying commissions affiliate program that you can promote and that you can make money with. So that's something that I would definitely recommend also to test out and to like apply and then start making money with it. And then you can have also the Movavi. So let's say you are in video editing and Movavi video editor really got nice high commissions, and that's pretty much it. And then another one is Adobe. So let's say you can make like, how do I cut videos? How do I create amazing thumbnails? Whatever. And there are going to be people, if you're going to be big interested of how you actually do what you do. And then you can just easily start creating it. And have, again, with Adobe Affiliate, monthly subscription, 85% of the first month, and you can earn a really good money. But as I mentioned, the best way how we can do it is that if you're gonna focus on like the competitors and look what they're using as I did, or let's say that I'm going to be in Shopify or drop shipping tutorial, right? Like this guy here, and I can check his affiliate. And then I can just look on his affiliate links, what he got in a description. And then I can use that too. So I can find the courses. Excuse me. So you can see that, okay, we have the FBA course. Then we have the Ecom Freedom. And you see that plenty of people are actually satisfied with it. And then that's something you can do, right? So if you're interested in this, this is a good strategy, like the best ones. Because I can share with you like those hundreds and hundreds of affiliate programs that I know, but I'm not going to help you with that because I don't know what segment you're in. And what you can do is write me down below in the comments your YouTube channel, and then I'm going to give you the feedback of what you can actually do and what kind of things you can promote, so we can have a deal like that. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and yeah.